Welcome to another edition of Mathematics Made Easy. Today we want us to look at translation of word problem into mathematical statements. How do you translate ordinary word problem to mathematical statements to find the value of what is not there? Looking at this question here, we have a father is 30 years old. A father is 30 years older than his son. The sum of their ages is 53 years. Find the age of the father. We are to find the age of the father. First of all, they say that the age of the father is 30 years above that of the son. Which means, assuming that the son is 5 years now, the age of the father is 5 years plus 30 years. But here, we don't know the age of the son. Neither do we know the age of the father. Therefore, in mathematics, there is something I always tell my students. Anything you don't know in mathematics, any value you don't know in mathematics, any variable you don't know in mathematics, just look for an alphabet and call it, and continue what you are doing. At the end of the day, the answer will show itself. Now we can say that let the age of the son be x or y or r or z, any factor. Okay, let's say let the age of the son be y. Let y be the age of the son. If y is the age of the son, which means the age of the father will be y plus 30 years. Because they say that the father is 30 years older than the son. So if the age of the son is y, the age of the father will be y plus 30 years. Then the age of the son is y. The age of the father is y plus 30. Now they make this statement. The sum of their ages is 53 years. Which means the age of the son plus the age of the father is equal to 53 years. That means y is the age of the son plus that of the age of the father, y plus 30 is equal to 53 years. Opening this bracket now, we have y plus 30 is equal to 53. In this level, you select the like terms. Those that are y should be one side, ordinary numbers should go over the other side. Therefore, y plus y is 2y is equal to 53. This 30 crossing over minus 30 because it's plus 30. Plus 30 crossing over the sign of equality will become minus 30, which means 2y is equal to 53 plus minus 30. 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, which is 23. Now, 2y is equal to 23. If 2y is equal to 23, therefore y is equal to 23 divided by 2. 23 divided by 2. 2 to itself 1, 2 to 2, 1. 2 to 3, 1. Remember 1, which is 11 whole number 1 over 2. 11 and half years. Or you can call it 11.5 years. And we know that y is the age of the son, which means son's age is 11.5 years. If the son's age is 11.5 years, which means that of the father, which they say is the son's age plus 30 years, because they say that the age of the father is y plus 30, the age of the son plus 30, which means father's age is y plus 30, which is equal to 11.5 plus 30. 11.5 plus 30 will give us 41.5 years. The age of the father is 41.5 years. Thank you. I believe that you understand all that I've taught. If there is anything that you still need more clarification, don't hesitate to type on the comment section for me to come to you. Please, if you're watching me through TikTok, please, and you're not following me yet, just click on follow. And if you're watching me through YouTube and you're not subscribed yet, click on subscribe, and God will bless you. Thank you. See you next time.